Once upon a time, there was a beautiful and kind-hearted girl named Cinderella who lived with her stepmother and two cruel stepsisters. Her father had passed away, and her stepmother treated her very badly. Cinderella had to do all the household chores, waking up early, washing dishes, cleaning floors, and cooking meals, while her stepsisters lived a life of luxury and ease. The royal prince's announcement. One day, the king announced a grand ball for his son to find a bride. Cinderella wished to attend the ball, but her stepmother refused to let her go. Instead, she assigned Cinderella so many tasks that she could not even think about getting ready. The fairy godmother's help. When Cinderella was feeling very sad, a magical fairy suddenly appeared. With a wave of her wand, she transformed Cinderella's old tattered clothes into a beautiful royal gown. She also turned a pumpkin into a magnificent golden carriage and mice into fine horses. She even provided a coachman to take Cinderella to the palace. The fairy warned Cinderella to return before midnight, as the magic would wear off and everything would return to its original state. Cinderella at the royal ball. When Cinderella arrived at the palace, everyone was mesmerized by her beauty. The prince was immediately drawn to her and danced with her all night. Cinderella forgot about time, but as the clock struck 12, she remembered the fairy's warning. She quickly ran out of the palace, but as she hurried, one of her glass slippers slipped off and remained on the palace steps. The prince's search. The prince did not want to lose Cinderella, so he ordered that the girl who fit the glass slipper must be found. A royal decree was announced, and the prince's soldiers visited every house to try the slipper on the girl's feet. When they arrived at Cinderella's house, her stepsisters tried desperately to fit into the slipper, but their feet were too big. When the soldiers allowed Cinderella to try, the slipper fit her perfectly. Everyone was astonished, and the stepmother and stepsisters were left embarrassed. Cinderella was immediately taken to the palace, where the prince joyfully declared her as his bride. A happily ever after Cinderella and the prince had a grand wedding and lived happily ever after. Her kindness, patience, and honesty led her to her destiny, and her life became as beautiful and magical as a fairy tale. Moral of the story. This story teaches us that goodness is always rewarded, and truthfulness and kindness always lead to success.